What's up everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So today is, I don't even know what day it is anymore. It is April the 5th. Wow, starting a new quarter, going in strong. So far, nothing really cooking, but I know I've been having trouble vlogging lately. You guys have seen a lot of old vlogs, even when seeing this one's probably at least 3 weeks old by now. I have consistently tried to vlog every day, but I get pulled in so many different directions. I have so many different things that I'm working on now that it's just so hard to vlog. I can see why a lot of like big time entrepreneurs, they don't really vlog because finding the time to do it is tough. It's really, really tough. And I'm not saying I'm some type of big entrepreneur, but balancing all of these things plus a family, you know, it's either YouTube or my kids, and I'm gonna pick my kids before YouTube. Sorry guys. Not saying that I don't love you guys. I do have a lot of great, awesome people that follow me. I know that you guys enjoy some of this content because I'm the no BS type of guy. But, you know, I try my hardest, really do. So with that being said, right now, it's April the 4th. It's been a crazy first quarter. We have seen like tremendous fluctuation in the market itself, right? So we went from starting off the year with nobody buying, everybody afraid, everybody wondering what was gonna happen. And then all of a sudden now, everybody wants to buy. I've got guys that were buying before hitting me up. I've had new guys that I don't even know hitting me up. And then we have properties all over the place. Even land is coming back up. Shout out to my friends at Koval Builders. They actually hit me up too. That's not why I have this t-shirt on. It's in my random stuff to wear throughout the day. You know, I'm home all day. I don't stay in my PJs. I get up every day and put on, you know, uniform, I guess you could say, and try to, you know, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for? Trying to have a normal office life. I cleaned my office this week and then I went back. It's not a mess anymore, but it's still not a mess, but it's getting messy. I even have a new friend here to join the rental team. Oh, that's when you know you made it, right? When you got a Rently lockbox. Now most of you would be like, oh, why would you have one? Shouldn't your property manager have one? And my thing is right now, I don't feel like I'm capable of hiring a property manager just because I'm pretty good at managing these properties. We have done some pretty clean repairs and we have the great softwares available now to kind of replace property management. Not saying that property managers don't have their place, but right now, since I'm small, I don't have a lot of rentals, I don't really have to deal with a lot of stuff, it's pretty easy to manage. Now, I'm sure that once I get up there and having more properties, it might get a little harder, but software has definitely made it really easy. My tenants pay all their rents through their software. Any maintenance request is all done through the software. They don't have my personal number. And we have an emergency call center that's built into the app. We pay monthly for it, but they also pick up any emergency calls. So if somebody has a leaky pipe or a broken toilet at 2 o'clock in the morning, they're gonna send out somebody to go respond to that and I don't have to worry about it. They'll send me the report next day and boom, you know, done. Now, using these softwares, right now I have 3 properties that are rented out. No, I have 2 properties rented out with a third one being rented out today. That's why I have the Rently lockbox. With the 3 of them rented out, I would be saving myself about $3,000 a year in management fees. Total rent is, I'm sorry, I have 4 properties rented out. So total rent is around $3,400 a month between the 4 properties. So saving, you know, $3 grand a year, that's nice. That's the repair of 1 property if something happens this year. That's a water heater, that's an HVAC unit, that is, you know, whatever emergency that may pop up this year, that's where that money is gonna come out of, which is great. You know, management fees, saving $3 grand is really, really good. Now, of course, as my income increases and as my properties increase, we'll test the limits of these softwares to see how long they last. In case you're interested in the software, I'm gonna put them down below. So the first one is RentRedi. And RentRedi, I don't even know how it's spelled. It's spelled a funny way. Let me see if I can pull it up here. So it's rent, R-E-N-T, redi, R-E-D-I.com. I'll put an affiliate link down below. You know, it'll hook me up and hook you up for the rest of the year. They are an awesome software to manage rental properties. They give rent reminders. They let them know when the rent is due. They remind them when the rent is overdue. And they even instate, like, you could put in late fees. You could do whatever you'd like to manage your rental, your lease agreements, who you're gonna contact. Literally, your tenants pay everything through the app. I think the app is like 17 bucks a month. And then they charge you $0 to transfer that money over to your bank account. And your tenant has multiple ways to pay. So they could pay with a bank account, ACH transfer. They can use a credit card or debit card, or use an e-check. I don't even know what an e-check is, but you don't pay any fees on that. The tenant is gonna pay all those fees, and basically you're just gonna get your money. Within 3 to 5 business days, all the rent gets transferred over to your bank account. No cost at all. It's literally just 17 bucks a month. With that Rent Ready app, it also has the ability to add on a maintenance call center. So any type of maintenance issues, they're gonna call the call center directly, not you. So, you know, broken pipe, whatever, at 3 in the morning, you don't even have to sweat it because these guys are gonna take care of it. Now that's an additional like 20 bucks a month. And then they have 2 different packages. They have a 24/7 maintenance package for emergencies only, and just a regular package where they actually send out a contractor if they need any type of regular repairs. I think it's $20 a month, and it's $4 a month per property for the emergency, and then $12 a month well, $20 a month plus $12 a month for the standard, like, all-inclusive maintenance package, right? Now, of course, you still have to pay for the actual maintenance on the property, but you put a budget in there on how much you want to pay, and then they have to call you when it goes over that budget. So that's going to help you greatly, you know, obviously save money, because you're not going to go and be like, oh my God, you guys did a $3,000 repair without calling me. You know, you could do, hey, anything over $200, give me a call. 300, I think 300 to 500 is usually a safe number. But really easy, super easy to manage. I haven't talked to my tenants in months because the app does everything for me. I think I heard from the first time yesterday from one of my tenants because she was having a problem paying through the app, which was an outage in the service or whatever. But since then, I called them up, they fixed it immediately, and she paid her rent, and we were good to go. So that tells you how easy it is to, you know, basically create a nice cash flowing empire without ever having to actually manage these people. I know I threw that in there and I rambled on a lot about it, but I felt like it's a really good service. So definitely check it out. This video is not really for the Rent Ready app, but hey, I guess it turned into it. So far, as far as marketing goes, so we're still consistent with our text messaging. It's been working out great. Most of you guys are using my service, or some of you guys are using my service. If you want to use it, link down in the description below. It's called AI REI. We use AI to basically build leads through text messaging. Works fantastic. You know, we've been consistently bringing in leads. We've been consistently cleaning up our data. I am doing mail now too, so that's helping out. Haven't had a call yet, but I know that in time people are gonna call. We did our first mailing campaign about 10 days ago, so we have another one coming out in the next probably about 5 days. Spending about $2,700 a month in mail, and then another $1,500 to $2,000 in cold calling and text messaging. So quite a bit of marketing, and I'm probably gonna try to spend a little bit more. I actually wanna bump up my mail a little bit more. I'm trying to get to $5,000 a month. I know that may sound excessive, but I want to focus more on bringing in leads. Even though generating leads, like outbound lead generation is great, I do want some inbound lead generation as well, just because it's a little bit less maintenance. Usually when you send mail, you just have to have somebody to pick up the phone, right? Pick up the phone and monitor, hey, you know, these people are getting mail and how much money is actually going out. We've been pretty successful so far with 2 deals this year that we got from mail, and we're hoping to add more to, you know, the pipeline later on this year. But that's it for me, guys. I don't really have much to talk about. We have been diligently just working hard this year, and by the time you guys are seeing this, I'm going on vacation next week, so this week I'm trying to take care of a whole bunch of stuff. But hopefully when I come back from vacation, we have a bunch of good stuff to show you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.